Blend the pudding. You'll love making it in this heat. In a saucepan, let's add a cup of sugar. Then stir it well until it melts and becomes caramel. That's just right. Now just take it and pour it into a baking dish. After spreading it evenly, set it aside in a larger container. Here, we'll sift 3 eggs. Next, let's add 500 milliliters of milk and 395 grams of condensed milk, then mix it thoroughly. Once done, we just pour it over our caramel. Next, let's cover it with aluminum foil. Take it to bake. I'll use an air fryer here, but you can use an oven, whatever you prefer. Here, I'll let it sit for 60 minutes at 180 degrees. With our pudding ready and chilled, let's move to a blender. Next, add 200 grams of sour cream and blend it well. After blending, all you have to do is pour it into a glass with ice and indulge. Look at that, such an amazing drink. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Cobre na Cozinha. Cheers. See you next time.